G'day folks, we're just on our latest commission here. As you can see, we've got a tree to put into the framework of the gate, which the span is 4.1 metres across with 140mm drop from one side to the other, which means the driveway is going down on an angle and the bottom of this framework that we have in front of us here will be following. And what we're going to do is, as the photo shows, tree trunk will be coming in here, coming narrowing, with branches shooting off to each side, coming up, and leaves across the top end, and a sort of a raised arch into the centre, which will probably go up to about 2.5 metres. So there's a lot of forging to do, there's a lot of solid bar work, a lot of heating, a lot of hammering, and as we go through we'll be showing you the different stages and you'll see it all come together. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, I'm going to cut two at 1300. We've got 20mm solid round bar here.
Right, go. Now we're progressing with the tree. What I've done is, it used to be like that, and we've drawn it out in the forge and we draw it out to a peak, which gives it a slender and kind of a mystical effect once it's all welded into place. The branches are in here, 1.3 metres long. Very easy to make snakes this way. Look here on the table. This is what I call the template for a branch. What I've done is I've drawn it out and I've hammered it all up to give it texture. Now there's another one for this which will actually follow it in parallel, or follow it basically all the way through and probably skew out at the ends, and that will make the thick top and bottom side of the branch. This is the opposite side of the branch. See? Yep.
Okay, as you can see, we've just about finished the branches. There's one more set of branches to go on the top, and that'll complete the branches. So you have to put some leaves on it and do a few other things. This is the stage we're at the moment.
At the moment, we're putting a contour for the fence palings. Now if I put the pan down here, you can see what I'm doing is with the chiseled head die in the air hammer, the spring hammer, not air hammer. Get a grain finish in this 75x5. Makes it look like fence palings, how we do the old fence post. This is one of them, which has been hammered in the power hammer. What we do is we heat them up and we use the chisel die in the power hammer. We don't want it too hot because it'll just go squishy. So here we go. This is how I actually make the old fence post. I've hammered it in the same manner that I did the actual palings. And then we're going to put these side by side so it looks like an old weathered fence post, and then slot them to thread the other one through. Now when there's 12 of these together, you get that effect over there that you see. What I'm doing here is cutting out the leaves with the oxy. I really don't have that much choice here. And this is kind of like what we expect to get finished, because we'll forge weld that branch on and it'll mould into the leaf, and then we'll put the nicks in it that a leaf has, and it's still a 3mm piece of thick plate, so give it a bit of chunkiness as well, so it should come up good. There we go.
to let this cool down sometimes because if it gets too hot, the whole lot seems to buckle. And we don't have a big this one because some of them are too hot.
I can't get my hand close to it. Now what you've got to do now, folks, is just get your chipping hammer, something like an axe. I've made an axe out of this. Chip it through, and with a good clean cut, just pop out like that. And then after that, just put a little bit of cream and jam on them, pop them in the oven, and they'll be ready to eat in 5 minutes. Here we go. Well folks, as you can see, I've tacked just about all, apart from maybe one or two of the 229 leaves that were hand done. Everything's tacked and ready to be fully welded. There's going to be some bracing involved when the welding starts, because it'll start to warp around. But otherwise, there is 220 or so individual leaves on this tree. Each and every single one of these leaves is completely different to each other.
G'day folks, it's been powder coated, antique silver, and here she is, finished.